Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we're going to be drawing a super cute Santa Claus. Yes, just in time for Christmas. Yeah. Alright, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. But before we get started, we're going to need a few drawing supplies. We're going to need a marker, something to draw with. To draw on, yep, paper.
You can use anything.
And something to colour in with. So yeah, we like to use markers, but you can use colouring pencils.
Pastels, and colouring pencils, paint, crayons, and
anything, that's right. Alright, so you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper here, and I think we're going to start off with drawing Santa's hat. So what we're going to do is, up here, we're going to draw a pom-pom, and so we're going to draw, it just looks like a little cloud actually, around like that.
We can draw a little cloud.
Yeah. There we go, a little pom-pom, that's for the top of his hat. Wonderful. Okay, so the next part we're going to draw is the rim around the hat, so just normally the white fluffy part is. So for this one, we're just going to make it a bit of a rectangle. So we're going to draw two lines here.
Two lines here.
Yeah, I'm just going to turn this around a little bit so it's easier. You know, when you're drawing, you can always turn the paper around on a different angle if it's easier for you to draw the shapes. Good job. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fill in the rest of his hat, the red part. So we're going to start from this rectangle here and go up to the pom-pom, and it's going to be a bit of a curve. Curve like that.
Now it's time to do his other side of
we'll do the other side, and it's going to be a bigger curve like that. Good job. Alright, so the next part we're going to draw is his face. So his big red nose. So I'm just going to draw a circle here.
Oval?
Yeah, a bit of an oval. This is a jolly character. Yeah. Okay, and next we're going to draw his eyes. And these are quite simple eyes. They're just two ovals like that.
Sort of bits of bobs.
You can colour them in differently. Different colours if you like. I'm just going to do a black. And what I'll do is I'll just leave a little bit of white in the corner there. So it looks like there's a light reflecting on his eye. Alrighty, wonderful. Okay, next part I'm going to do underneath his nose is going to do a little mouth, just a U shape like that.
He said ho ho ho.
That's right, yeah, ho ho ho. Next we're going to draw his beard. So we're going to start underneath his hat here and join up to his nose. So it's going to be the top of his beard, and it's going to be a little, again it looks a bit like a pom-pom, like a little cloud, fluffy.
Buns, like end of a bun of football.
Yep, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Like that. You can do about 4 or 5 of those, whatever looks nicest. Yeah, and then we'll do the same along the bottom, go along here, and it's going to be the bottom of his beard. I'm just going to turn this around slightly, that's easier. So do a curve like that, and another one. You can just make it all random, all different shapes and sizes. You can do as many as you like.
Because Santa's beard is very fluffy.
It is very fluffy, and
that's why I'm doing mine a bit wobbly.
Yeah, there we go. Looks good.
Yep.
Okay, so next part is we're going to draw his body. And his body is a bit of a rectangle shape. So I'm going to draw a line here. That's going to be the bottom of his red jacket. And then we're going to draw a line going up from the corners on a slight angle inwards, joining up to his beard like that.
And then now it's time to do the belt.
Yeah, so he wears a big belt normally, with a big gold buckle. Buckle. Gosh. Alright, so we're going to draw a rectangle in here first.
You're a tongue twister.
I know, I'm all tongue twisted. Yeah, and another little square in the middle.
Side.
Yeah. And then on the side, we're going to join the buckle up to this edge of his jacket, and this is the actual belt, the leather belt. You can colour that in later.
In the ad, remember last time on the TV when Santa wasn't wearing a belt, his pants fell.
I know, yeah, that's why very important he wears his pants.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to draw his arm. So I'm going to start on this side, and we'll draw a rectangle here. So this is going to be the I guess the end of his sleeve. Normally it's white and fluffy, and then we draw 2 little lines here that will join to his body there like that.
Lines. Then it's time to do the same thing on the other side and then do the
well, before we do that, we'll finish his hand, and I'm going to make him wear mittens because it's cold where he's from in the North Pole, so he likes to keep his hand warm. So to do that, we're going to draw one little bump up there like that, so that's his thumb. And
then do another bump.
And then another curve down like that, so that's...
And then do the same thing here.
And then we'll do the same on the other side. We'll draw a rectangle, and then a few lines there joining up his sleeve, and then his other mitten, like that.
Cool. He looks very weird without his pants and also his feet.
Yeah, that's right. He needs legs, so he needs to walk around. So again, what we're going to do for his legs, we're going to draw just a rectangle like this. And this will be the top of his boots, because normally, again, they've got white fluffy bits on it.
Yeah.
And then we draw his boots. We draw a little line on the side, and on the other side, we do a little curve like that.
Yeah.
And then we draw a line joining it together. Yep. And then again, we'll draw some legs. We're just going to join those 2 shapes up together like that. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Draw a rectangle. And I'll draw his feet. There we go.
Okay, let's color in.
Yeah, let's colour in. All right, we'll fast forward this part and we'll see you back very soon. And we're back. And I think that looked really great. Are you happy with yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we coloured him. Of course, we made Santa red. I gave him green gloves as well to add a bit of different colour, and I'll give highlights. And so he's got shiny boots and a shiny belt buckle. And yours is looking really good as well. And what have you drawn on the side here?
Cookies and milk.
Yes, because Santa loves cookies and milk.
Yep.
So that's the thing. You can add all other little detailed other Christmas decorations there as well. Great. Well, there you go. We hope you had lots of fun, and if you liked this video and want to see other Christmas-themed videos, check out our channel for more of those. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!
Bye.